In this video, I'm going to go over a literary device called alliteration. Alliteration describes a series of words in quick succession that all start with the same letter or sound. This can be used in poetry, songs, stories, and everyday speech. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books and they are already self published. So take a look at them. And if you have Kindle, you get them for free. This is used to create a sense of harmony amongst the words. Okay, here are some examples. She sells seashells by the seashore. Try saying that 5 times. Five fury frogs fishing for flies. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys. So for your homework, write down a few alliterations down in the comments below, and let's see who can come up with one that would give you a little bit of a tongue twister, just like the first example that I gave earlier. And I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you're still here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can keep pumping out this amazing content to help you push forward to be a successful writer, whether that is a screenwriter, novel writer, short story, poetry, any of those type of writers, because you guys all fit into the world of creative writing. Thank you guys again, and I will see you guys in my next video. May the force be with you always.